Hello, my name is Steve. Thank you for joining me today for a new video review for Hosting Review. Today, we'll be talking about IX Web Hosting. It's a very plain but very professional looking site, which tells me that's probably who they're targeting, professionals. Now you have this problem solving tool which looks really helpful. It's a short but simple questionnaire which you fill out with your issues, and then they can call you back already with an answer for that specific problem. I like this. Now let's go to their packages. You can see here who they're aiming their services to. You have the expert package for consultants or small teams, the Business Plus for small and growing businesses. I like that phrasing, growing businesses. That's pretty good. And Unlimited Pro, which is basically for large firms or a website that will get a lot of traffic. Obviously the prices correspond to the different packages, right? So your expert package is $395, Business Plus $795, and Unlimited, as we're making this video, is also $795. This could be a really good deal based on everything the Unlimited package includes. In terms of features, all plans get unlimited domains, disk storage, and data transfer. Just right there, that's fantastic. You also get great support, access to all of your web analytics, and your ad coupons. Really good. Now, something I love is that with all your packages, you get included dedicated IP addresses. Again, this is really business oriented. Now, in the Expert, you only get one, which you would normally have to pay for. But in the Unlimited, you get a bunch. You have to think this is for really big websites, high amounts of traffic, high amounts of transactions. If that's your case, this is an option you really want to look into. In terms of technology supported, you have a lot of stuff, both Linux and Microsoft. You have pretty much every script from Ruby on Rails to WordPress, Joomla, PHPs, everything. You have scripts for galleries, e-commerce, multimedia. Honestly, you have everything you need. Now let's try out the support, starting with live chat. These guys really want to help me out. It was really quick, very nice, very informative. I'm really happy with it. And well, you have your usual help resources as well, which look pretty good. And you obviously have phone support, which is what we're going to try now. Okay, so just dialing the number.
Hello, and thank you for calling IX Web Hosting, the industry's leading web hosting provider. If you would like to speak with a sales specialist regarding sales-only questions, please press 1 now. If you are an existing customer and would like to speak with a technical support specialist, please press 2 now. If you would like to speak with a billing specialist regarding billing-related questions, please press 3 now.
Obviously, option 1 for sales.
Your call may be recorded or monitored for quality assurance purposes.
Hi, this is Dwan. How may I help you today?
And here we go. That was really good time. Very friendly, very friendly customer service, very thorough. I'm really happy with phone support. Now what we're discussing in the back, if you can make some of it out, it's very interesting. But you have to wait until the end of the video for me to give you a little bit more information on that. But you really want to sit tight and wait for it because it's worth your time. Let's try out the sign-up process. It starts fine. I like that there's a warning about me having to input my billing information. This might be obvious, but it's good that they're upfront. Very straightforward. I don't have a lot of add-ons offered to me, which I like. And then, from there it goes smoothly. Really good. I don't have any major complaints. There's nothing to brag either. Just the one little thing, I felt it was slow loading times. Once it captures the information. Other than that, it's good. So what do we know so far? Great offers. If you are a business. If this is a professional website, you'll find what you need. I really like the tools available. The expert plan is a little bit more limited, but honestly, you have everything you need. Really good. Live chat. Now, if you've watched any of the other hosting videos we've done for you, you know I'm a phone support guy. But this live chat, that's impressive. Now, the control panel. IEX offers a demo available for anyone. Now, it's not a full control panel, but it's still something you want to check out. In this demo, instead of actually using the tools, what you get is a pretty good explanation for them, so you can have a better feel of what you're getting. And that works. You really have a feel for what the control panel is, and you can play with some of the customizable options. Good. Now we have access to a full control panel, so we're going to check that out. Now one thing, and if you clicked on the demo, you saw this yourselves, this is one ugly control panel. Doesn't mean it's not functional, but it's really ugly. First off, you see all your SEO credits and your upgrades. Good. If you want to actually start working with your site, you need to go to the Manage tab. And there you can see the actual control panel. Obviously, it's similar to your standard cPanel with slight differences. Again, my personal opinion, but this is ugly. Take a look at the sidebar. Here you will find all your relevant information, and you can customize the look of the control panel. That being said, you don't have too many options. You have access to a site studio, which is a very good site building tool. You have tons of options, but it's really for beginners. And this is a little bit of a contradiction with the whole positioning of IEX, which is really targeted to professional websites. A little bit of a disconnect there. Then you have all your great tools, your meme types, all your web stats, really important. If this is a professional website, extremely important. So that's good to have readily accessible. And from there you have Easy Apps, which is where you have access to all your codes and every other tool. Very easy, very straightforward, a good tool to use. So a great job on this. I think we've seen everything we needed to see with IEX web hosting, so let's wrap it up. In terms of the offer, if the website you're building is a professional website, then any of the three packages, a really good option. In terms of price, it looks pretty good, although I have to say the Business Plus package, the pricing doesn't really make much sense to me. I think the key feature with these guys is that they're really targeted. It's for professionals, it's for professional websites, not so much if this is your hobby website, you're just going to have a little bit of fun, or your personal website. So if that's your case, if you are thinking of building a website for professional purposes, good. If not, I think you might want to look elsewhere. In terms of technology supported, I have nothing to say. They have everything you need. In terms of support, phone was great, but live chat, just one of the fastest, one of the best I've ever encountered. Control panel was good, but I was expecting more, and it's ugly. In terms of design tools, there's one tool that, while it's great, you have good options and good templates, it's really for beginners, which to me doesn't match the rest of the offering. In terms of guarantees, you have your standard 30-day money-back guarantee. Nothing out of this world, but great to have. Overall, I think these guys have a lot to offer, great support, but there are some minor drawbacks. The main one being that it's really targeted. So if it's not for you, it's really not for you. Because of this, these guys will get 4 out of 5 thumbs up. What about you? Have you tried IEX web hosting? Is it really that targeted only to professionals? Let us know. Now here's a little something I promised earlier. Bear with me. It might sound complicated, but it's worth your while. You can get 20% off on any of the packages IEX offers. All you have to do is click on the coupons tab within the written review we've written of IEX, and then click on the coupon. On the page you land on, at the bottom there's a secret link. If you click on it, you will get 20% off, just like that. Pretty good, don't you think? I'm Steve for Hosting Review. Thank you for watching.